In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a 1:1 ratio on CapCut. If you've ever needed a perfect square video for platforms like Instagram posts, this walkthrough will get you there quickly and cleanly, whether you're using CapCut on the web or the mobile app. First, open CapCut on your browser or launch the app on your device. You'll land in your workspace or projects area. Don't worry about your video's current shape yet. We'll adjust it in a moment. Next, click the 9:16 option to start a new vertical project. Even though 9:16 is the tall, phone-friendly format, it's a great starting canvas. Picking this ensures the editor opens with all the standard tools visible so you can immediately make changes. We're going to change the final aspect, so consider this just a doorway into the editor. Now upload your video. Import the file from your computer or camera roll, and then place it onto the timeline so you can see it in the preview window. Give the clip a quick play to make sure the audio and video load correctly. If you're working with a wide clip, expect black bars for now. That's normal and will be fixed in the next steps. With your clip selected on the timeline, look for the crop option in the toolbar. Crop gives you framing control so you can trim edges and prepare the clip for the new shape. Click it to reveal the cropping handles and related settings. Inside the crop panel, find Aspect Ratio. This is where CapCut provides preset shapes, so you don't have to guess dimensions. Selecting a preset locks the crop to that exact shape, keeping everything neat and consistent. From the presets, choose Instagram posts. That preset is a true 1:1 square, which is exactly what we're after. Once selected, you'll see the crop box snap into a square. Use the preview to drag the frame left or right, or up and down, to keep the most important subject centered. If your subject is near an edge, nudge the clip until it's comfortably inside the square. When everything looks good, click Apply. This commits the 1:1 crop to your clip in the timeline. Give your video a quick preview to confirm faces aren't cut off and titles aren't too close to the edges. If something feels tight, reopen crop, keep the Instagram posts preset selected, and reframe until it feels balanced. And that's it. You've converted your footage to a clean, platform-ready 1:1 square in CapCut. Keep these steps handy, and you'll be able to switch ratios confidently anytime you need a polished square video.